Many people are asking, how do you make money during this crisis? Is it possible?
It starts with yourself. If you believe that you can earn money, you will. There are a lot of examples of companies that are founded and during depression, they just try to see what are the needs. For example, companies that do hand sanitizers, right, and then alcohols, all this medical equipments, they are booming. Delivery companies, they are booming, or online shops. These are all opportunities that are out there. So even if there's a pandemic, there are ways to earn money. The thing is that you just have to be open to it, because sometimes there are people also that's, oh yeah, this is not really my forte, or I'm not comfortable in selling, or you can say that, oh yeah, I don't know anything, what can I do, so it's just really a matter of mindset. I think if you are willing to learn, for example, a new skill, and especially now, you can just go online, learn anything you can. I mean, not to be a doctor, for example, but I mean, you can be a writer, you can be an artist, you can be you can make websites. Those are all free. You can do photography. Look into your current situation already. So if you have a job, right, you don't want to quit your job during a pandemic, because I think that's really not a very good or wise decision, or at least not have a plan. Someone might think like, yeah, I'm so stressed with my job right now, I'm just going to quit. But then you don't really think it through. You don't know, you don't have a plan of action. If you're going to quit your job, how are you going to live? If you want something else, then maybe you can try to build a side hustle. Look into your skills. What do you have? Are you good with English? Or maybe you can tutor English, or maybe you can sell online. Maybe you like fashion, maybe you have a very good taste, and people always compliment you with your fashion style, and then you can sell that online. Or maybe you're a plantita and you like to grow plants, right? If you bake, right, you can sell your goods, or cook, you can sell that as well. So you just have to be able to adapt. Another thing is something that I also do myself is sell old stuff. So if there are stuff that you don't need anymore, and you think that someone else would be willing to pay for them, then go ahead and sell those stuff. And those money you can keep, instead of them being in the cupboard, collecting dust. And also then you also help the environment, because you don't have to throw it away. And then you make someone happy, and then you also save them money, right? So
Great.
yeah.
Those are great tips. Thank you so much, Anne. Actually, I want to add to that, because I found something so amazing here in the Netherlands. They have a plant library. So
Yeah.
I made a video about that. So basically, you
Yes.
just put a cupboard outside of your house,
Yeah.
and then people will bring you plants, will give you plants for free. But to get a plant, you have to pay a small amount. So you basically earn by doing nothing. You just put a cabinet outside of your house, and then you earn from that. That's so inventive, and that's so innovative, right?
Here are 33 side hustles you can try. Teaching, being a tour guide, selling secondhand electronics, tutoring, filling up online surveys, reselling from thrift stores, babysitting, selling excess furniture, selling food, redeeming reward points, selling used books, walking dogs or pet sitting, selling your creations, participating in clinical trials, renting out your home, getting into direct selling, being a blogger or a YouTube star, driving other people, renting out your car, performing odd jobs or small tasks, joining teachers pay teachers, wrapping advertising on your ride, offering a spot for pet relief, being a voice coach, renting out a parking space, renting out a storage space, delivering food, translating, transcribing, helping move furniture, mystery shopping, shooting video or taking photos for websites, sports coaching. For more information, check the links in the description box.
For those who are really struggling right now, say this person is in crisis mode, financially struggling with mounting debts, job is not secure at the moment because of pandemic. What could this person do to survive this pandemic financially?